Rajiv Rudy is being joined on the panel by Atul Kumar Ranjan of the CPI and Gaurav Bhatia of the Samajwadi Party. We are going to try and take a look at how these results are going to impact national politics. Gaurav Bhatia and Atul Kumar Ranjan, just to summarize, before we came to you, we were having a chat and Mr. Rudy is very, very confident that he says, I won't even talk about the Congress. They are insignificant players and I don't want to waste my time. He said, my time is very precious. I don't want to waste my time talking about an insignificant party like the Congress party. Now that in one sense can be confidence, one sense it can be overconfidence, depending on the way that you look at it. Because if you replace the word Congress with the opposition, then the real point that Mr. Rudy is trying to make here, Gaurav, is that there is no opposition today. And unless you change the blueprint with which you take on the BJP, that won't change. So Gaurav Bhatia and Atul Kumar Ranjan, just starting with you, either of you could pick it up actually, Mr. Ranjan perhaps, or yes, Mr. Ranjan perhaps. Do you think these results will determine the way you approach the contest with the BJP going forward, especially if the BJP sweeps these two states? You're going to have to realign and rethink your future strategies as an opposition. Now, this question is not to you as the CPI. As an opposition, how will you deal with the BJP then, Mr. Ranjan?
Mr. Arnab, the results of the Maharashtra and Haryana are very significant one. And the result, whatever will come, will force upon the other political forces in this country that how to protect the unity and integrity of the country, at the same time how to save the salient feature of our constitution. Because what we see after the BJP is coming into power in Uttar Pradesh, we have seen that more than 200 communal clashes were engineered, and it started from Muzaffarnagar and it is spread in many parts of the things. There is a chance that after the victory of the BJP in Maharashtra,
I'm not talking about the UP
and in Haryana,
I'm talking about
now the next target. No, I'm coming to that. After this result, there is a chance that the main thing is that the BJP will attack on Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. And in that context, I think all political parties, those who believe in secular, those who believe in pluralism, those who believe in the composite culture of this country, must think how to counter the whole political scenario, which is an aggressive one because of BJP.
Now, Mr. Rudy, so, that's the thinking, right? That if you win these two elections, there is a great sense that you will attack UP and Bihar and they will come together to take you on. No. Yes, Mr.
Atul Kumar Ranjan is saying...
Let me get a first response from Mr. Rudy. I'll come to you after that, Gaurav. Yeah.
Mr. Ranjan is saying that the coming of the BJP will affect the unity of the country. So all these people who have voted BJP to power and have given a government at the center, the people of this country who have voted for BJP, have they voted that this country's unity should go away? So this is how the CPI looks at the mandate given to the BJP. But I can tell you, Arnab, both these political parties, whether it is Samajwadi Party, whether it is Communist Party, they are actually very happy that the Congress has been decimated and they will get some scope in the future. So for them, it is a great achievement to see the Congress being wiped off across the country. So this will give them an opportunity. They are very happy about it. But having said that, it's a slur when they say that BJP is coming in power, whether it's in Rajasthan or in Goa, in Madhya Pradesh or in Chhattisgarh, or for that matter now in Haryana or possibly even in Maharashtra. They feel this will affect them. As if all these crores of Indians who come for an electoral process, who come for this democratic process, they are threatening the unity of this country. What a bizarre argument my friend from the Communist Party is giving. So everyone who votes for the
Mr. Ranjan, you want to clarify?
To break away the nation.
No, 1 second. You want to clarify, Mr. Ranjan. Why are you quiet?
So that's
Mr. Ranjan, can you hear me?
No.
Yes.
I'm hearing my friend a political. Yes, if you want to speak, you continue, and then I speak.
What you have said, that BJP I'm shocked, in fact, that all those who vote for BJP threaten the unity of this country. I have never heard this argument from any political person. And he says, because BJP is coming, the unity of the nation is being threatened. So at least I cannot understand, if other viewers could be understanding Mr. Anjan, who is a senior leader of the Communist Party, that anyone who goes and votes for the BJP threatens the integrity of the country.
You want him to reply to
Let
you?
him reply.
Yes,
I have
yes,
understood
yes,
this
yes.
much.
I will.
If you can explain
Yes,
I would be very happy.
And then I just want to say, because, my dear, you are in power. The BJP is in power. But they have not got the popular mandate. You have got only 31% of the votes. Out of 70%, people are not with you. And they think your whole approach is a communal approach. There is a point. I have said why I have referred Uttar Pradesh. You organized Muzaffarnagar riots, and then you went on.
Why are they not voting? He's talking.
They are not voting
to a regional party.
I'm
the region of Uttar Pradesh. I'm sorry, he doesn't. I cannot continue my conversation. Because for him,
you just listen. I have not.
Party is 70%.
No, I have not intended.
He's talking about Muzaffarnagar.
Just I want to. Mr. Rudy, we come little bit late, but when we come, we go after quite long time. I just want to tell you one thing. If your popularity is so much, what happened in Uttarakhand? You lost all the 3 by-elections. Your chief minister, 2 chief minister seats in Uttarakhand, you lost. And out of 11 assembly seats, which was with the BJP, you lost 8 of them. You lost 3 seats in by-election in Rajasthan. You lost in Gujarat also. So why you are so, you see, talking from the position of strength? People by day understanding you. And I tell you.
I've heard you. No, Mr. Anjan, I heard you now. My question to the panelists, is this the response? 1 second. Is this the response that today, if the whole, what are we debating here? Is there an opposition in this country is our debate? Yeah. Is this going to be, is this secular communal argument overstretched?
It shouldn't be, Arnab. And first of all, I think parties like the CPI, they themselves are shrinking.
1 second. Here the panelists, I'll have a debate in the panel.
A party like the communist parties are in decline. First of all, you only begin tackling something when you recognize that the whole architecture of Indian politics is changing. The BJP is the new growth area. Be it in Bengal in the future, where cadres of the left have joined the BJP. Be it everywhere, even in Tamil Nadu, they have a strategy in place. They are the party of the future. There is an architecture is changing. So to hark, I have no issue with it, as long as, talking about secularism and communalism, as long as there's a bit of realism also.
Realism.
Exactly.
Navika, Nirja, Sunil Alagh, where's the realism?
I mean, they should worry. The opposition parties clearly need to have a strategy. The Congress is shrinking. The opposition parties have not been able to get a front together. They will have to think of a position where the BJP, at this moment, at least the wind is blowing for them.
Exactly.
In state after state, they are consolidating their position. The next elections are going to be in Jharkhand, Jammu and Kashmir and Bihar. And there again, the BJP has an advantage. Meanwhile, the opposition clearly needs to have a strategy.
Do I see that strategy? I don't.
CPI needs to worry about in Bengal, where they lost everything. They're suddenly discovering what happened to the unity in Bengal. You couldn't hold Mamta back. What are you going to hold the nation together? You have to change your approach for getting votes. It's got nothing to do with unity or disunity.
Why are we saying that these 2 elections are more than just state elections? It is because Narendra Modi, one man, is having traction even at the state level. Yeah. It's all right for Lok Sabha. Yeah. And if you have one appeal leader putting local issues, local chairas, local leadership, making that secondary, what does it tell you about what's going on at the ground level? It tells you there's stagnation, there is frustration, there's helplessness, there's drift, and people say, here's a man who's giving hope to us, let's try him because he says so. So there is nobody else able to match this. So even if you get the opposition together, the opposition united will have to look for fresh energy, fresh faces, new strategy.
Such a straightforward argument.
I
agree,
together.
but I find, am I seeing here, and the question that Atul Kumar Anjan must ask himself, and Mr. Anjan, this is not to say the issue of secularism is not relevant, first of all, but the question is, that is there any pragmatism, realism, is there any real strategy to back this up, or is this the same kind of hackneyed argument that lost you the election in May? Hartosh, and then I'm going to go back to Gaurav Bhatia. Yes, Hartosh.
Look, Arnab,
What would you say to the opposition? Change your strategy?
absolutely. Look, the Congress is shrinking not just in terms of leadership and organization. With the loss of Maharashtra and Haryana, it loses the ability even to fund its future. And I think that is one of the more crucial points when you see what happens after these elections. The opposition will be forced to come together, but the question is, do they have a plan when they come together? Modi's threat will force them, whether it is in Odisha, whether it is in Bengal, to come together. But what terms will you come together on? Will it be rhetoric? Are there regional leaders who can step forward, provide a leadership, a coherence, or are we going to see a motley Janata Dal experiment which will fall apart as soon as it has charge?
The keys, is there another JP for the opposition?
No, look at what happened when Lalu and Nitish have got together in Bihar. You made the CM.
Do you think all these plans I will discuss on the television? I will not discuss all these plans. No. I am really very thankful to my friends, those who are worried about the. No. I am very thankful to my friends, those who are in the panel, worried about the left. I know to have discussion and writing on the articles, it's very easy. To make a friend and to make a political worker, it's a Herculean task, and we know. And we are not bringing the people on the question of give and take. We on the ideological plane bring our cadres, educate our cadres.
Ideologies alone don't win you elections. Why are you getting upset when a straight question is being asked you? What is wrong with the straight question? The question being asked is, and it's a challenge thrown here. One second, Mr. Ranjan. Mr. Ranjan, a minute. Mr. Ranjan, 1 minute दीजिए. 1 minute दीजिए. अच्छा 1 minute दे दीजिए. अच्छा दे दीजिए 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. अच्छा 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay, 15 seconds. Atul Kumar Ranjan, 15 seconds.
Don't worry. We will come.
The question
back,
is a 15-second question.
We will save the secularism in this country. We will save
10
the
seconds
constitution. We will fight out the draconian policies.
You save secularism, give me 10 seconds.
All the nefarious politics. And that is what
Samaj, no, 1 second.
for you.
No, why? No, 1 second. Mr. Ranjan.
For you.
Mr. Ranjan, why are you looking disturbed? Why are you getting disturbed? I'm asking a question.
Is nothing. No. For you, secularism is nothing, and for you, what is everything. For us, secularism is a very important issue, a cardinal issue in Indian politics.
Yes, sir, but can I tell you one thing? Please don't fool yourself that you are the only custodian of Indian secularism. The people of India are the custodians of Indian secularism, not the Communist Party of India. My question goes to Gaurav Bhatia. My question is to Gaurav Bhatia. Rajiv Rudi will come back into the debate. 1 second.
In this country.
Mr. Ranjan, 1 second, please.
You are the only wise person. Don't think that you are the having all to tell the people of this
Mr. Ranjan, am I even saying something?
Arnab, if I could come in.
Arnab,
Who has
for
got
his
angry?
understanding. We don't care for such type of argument.
What has happened to Mr. Anjan? I can't make out.
No, I'm not Anjan.
Arnab, can I come in now?
Mr. Rudy, don't worry. I understand your pain also.
No,
Don't
what has
tell me.
happened? You are
What is
laughing,
all his
you
pain?
can't even laugh.
In one hand, in the name of democracy, in the name of democracy, one man rule is there. You talk about the Congress thing.
Arnab.
It is now only the Modi who is ruling everything. Where are the photographs of other cabinet ministers?
All right,
You
please
don't
now
find
hear
it.
someone else.
PIB
No, watch it. Gaurav Bhatia
Arnab, can I come in now?
wanted to say something. My question today is very simply this, that can the Bihar template be implemented on the national scale? In Bihar, they came together. In UP, in certain areas, Mayawati did not put up candidates because she wanted the BJP to lose. Can the Bihar and UP experiment be implemented on the national scale? Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, is there a need to do that? Yes. Anjan ji, sun lijiye.
Arnab, let me say this, Arnab, that Mr. Modi has become larger than the party. Mr. Modi has become larger than the state units, and that is what we are seeing if the exit polls are correct and to be believed, that even in Haryana, where the BJP was non-existent, the exit polls are showing good results for the BJP.
How does
but
that affect
let
anyone?
me say this, that this is nothing new. This is flowing from the general elections. And right now, it's the honeymoon period for the central government. And people have a lot of expectations because a lot has been promised to them. What would
So
be
what?
of
So let him
great
perform.
value
If he
to see
doesn't
in the
perform in
future would
5
be
years, we'll vote him out.
Let me just make my point, and I hope I will not
No,
be
the
interrupted.
question, you're not answering the
We
question.
saw
What is
how
your
the
response? Do you
UPA
have a response, or would you like to say on TV you don't have a response now?
I have-
See, if you don't have a response, Gaurav Bhatia, you
have
can
a
say we don't have a response now.
I have.
You don't have to make it up.
I have.
Is there a response? Do you have a counter strategy?
not
Can
making
the
it
Bihar model be implemented at a national level? I asked you a simple question, Gaurav. Why aren't you answering it?
Yes.
Because
Arnab,
No, no,
I
what's
will
it?
answer if you just give me some time.
Arnab, his
My
Mulayam Singh
point
did
is
make a
this,
statement
that in
about
Maharashtra and
this.
in Haryana, Congress was the principal opposition party. It was the ruling party and opposition party for the BJP. People are not very happy with the Congress in these states. Whereas in Bihar, in Orissa, in UP, there are various regional parties which have a stronghold and people are happy with them. So
Okay,
therefore,
so-
Congress, BJP
Okay.
would not emerge as
Okay,
strong as it has emerged in Haryana and in Maharashtra.
No,
And
what's
all
it?
these parties would come
No,
together.
so I get his point.
The
No,
more
I-
Congress gets decimated.
Okay, so one second.
There would be more
Just
room
a
for
minute. So
regional parties to
Gaurav Bhatia's point is that don't assume there is no opposition because the Congress is doing badly, right? Rajiv Rudi, quick response. I know you have to go. Gaurav Bhatia says don't assume the Congress party is the entire opposition. We'll give you a fight elsewhere. Rajiv Rudi.
So,
Yes.
well, they have every right to say that, but only point which I would like to confirm to your question which you posed to Mr. Bhatia, that Bihar experiment or UP experiment. The only thing I can tell, when Nitish Kumar and Lalu Yadav have come together, there is a chief minister in that state who says let's chop off the hands of those doctors who don't cure patients. So if that is the combination which you're talking about in Uttar Pradesh or in Bihar to be replicated by all these political parties, the people of this
Arnab,
country know exactly what to
Arnab,
do,
can I just
and that is why the BJP is there.
Arnab, I want to
So
say this
I
to
think
UP,
I impart with you now. I have a very senior leader with Mr. Satpal Jain. He will take care of the rest of the show. So thank you very much. Bye,
Just give
Arnab.
one line punch.
Listen to
What?
Mr.
No, no.
Anjan.
What happened in Maharashtra between BJP and
What
Shiv
has
Sena?
happened? You
Can
want
you
me to
answer
speak to
it?
Mr. Anjan
What
again?
happened in BJP and Shiv Sena? You are preaching the sermons. What happened?Ell me. 25 years, you see, friendship.
But Mr.
Why
Rudy,
destroy?
didn't
And
you
now
lose
the
in
Prime
Bihar?
Minister
Arnab,
says
in UP
that
there
they
was
have
no
no
alliance in
character
the
of the
bypolls.
Chhatrapati
Arnab,
Shivaji.
Who is asking
And
what?
there is no-
I'm ready to
Arnab,
answer
there
anything,
was
but
no alliance.
Okay, I'll
I
ask
want
a
to be
question,
so
Mr. Rudy.
polite today.
Mr. Rudy, you're being slightly patronizing today, but let me ask you a simple question. You're being slightly patronizing. Here's my observation. It's all right. I know you're on a winning streak, but you shouldn't be patronizing generally.
No,
it's
no,
not good.
I'm
It's all right, Mr. Rudy. I'm telling you this. I feel you're being slightly patronizing, and my view is that humility at a time of success is also a good quality. You may disagree with it. Now, my question to you, Mr. Rudy, is very simple. They got together in Bihar, and you didn't do well. They did beat you. So, do you feel this is something that cannot happen anywhere else in Bihar or UP? What happened in Bihar in the by-elections? What happened in UP? You feel it can't happen anywhere else? No, simple question. You feel it can't happen?
it could happen. You see, it's not could happen. It's actually started happening. Whether it is Mr. Anjan or Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, Mr. Nitish Kumar, Mr. Lalu Yadav, and the Congress people, pillion riding, all these people, it's happening. But at the same time, please do not forget that the people of this country are also watching this unholy alliance which is building up against the BJP. And here is a gentleman who says, if you vote for
you
the
said
BJP,
the same thing in Bihar. No, one second. You said the same thing in Bihar, but that unholy alliance beat you. No. You called the alliance between Lalu and Nitish also unholy, but they beat you.
Till other day.
But they beat you.
Mr. Arnab Goswami, let me complete. Why are you also anxious about Bihar? Let's discuss Maharashtra and Haryana tomorrow.
I'm not talking about Bihar.
And then we will discuss Bihar after 8 months when we see the elections in Bihar. So let's not bother about Bihar. Bihar we will see after 8 months. So please kindly talk about tomorrow, which we think BJP should be doing reasonably well. And when it comes to Bihar, then we'll talk about Bihar.
Okay, Mr. Rudy, one question you take from Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav has been trying to say something. something to you. Here, Gaurav. Here, Gaurav, and then I'll come.
Just because you feel
Mr.
that
Rudy.
you've lost out on some political
Mr. Rudy, here, Gaurav, he's
Mr.
making a
Rudy,
point to you, and then.
the other parties,
They have made all the
you are
points.
saying
I've
other
heard
parties
everyone.
that would form an alliance is unholy.
now
I
Mr.
want to
Senior
ask you
Leader
what
Satpal
happened
Jain
to your holy
reply and
alliance
respond.
with the Shiv
So,
Sena.
please.
And I think if the
What is-
Congress
why
gets decimated,
Gaurav and Atul Gadda are all very anxious and agitated?
to emerge as the
I
principal
really can't make
opponent
out.
to
They should take politics as it
It
comes.
gives us
Yes,
an
we
you are
opportunity
in a cool
to
mood
grow and
now.
to spread.
Okay, Mr. Rudy, I can see the BJP is super confident today, but in politics it's always very good to watch out. It's very good to watch out.
Last point.
Okay,
Last point I'm going. Your
No,
first sentence when you said about Mr. Rahul Gandhi not coming to Maharashtra, I said that it does not make any difference whether they came or did not come. So you said that I have rubbished the Congress party. I did not. So you have been twisting words.
No,
and
Mr.
to
Rudy, I'll
suit
tell you one
your
thing.
presentation.
No, I'll tell you one
Please
thing,
correct
Mr.
it
Rudy.
next time.
Mr.
Thank
Rudy,
you.
I'll tell you one thing,
Yeah,
since you are saying these
you
things.
twisted
No, I'll
things.
tell you one thing. Mr.
I
Rudy,
said
the last...
what I say and you
Okay,
twist
so
it
Mr.
and then you
Rudy-
make a talking point
All
and then
right,
you want everyone to
Mr.
agree
Rudy,
to
why-
that.
Mr.
We
Rudy-
also have been with you on this television channel for 25 years. So
No,
we
Mr.
also
Rudy,
understand what Arnab Goswami does, but we'll catch you right there when you are wrong,
No,
Mr.
Mr.
Arnab
Rudy,
Goswami.
I'll
Thank
tell you one thing, just one thing. Since you've said something and you always like to have the last word.
In Uttar Pradesh,
One second, I'm
the
just saying
BJP
something to
got
Mr. Rudy,
decimated
please.
in the
Mr. Rudy,
by-polls.
just remember one thing. What did I say? You said, and I'll play the tape and I'll send you a copy after this, okay?
Oh,
You
let's
said,
sit
you
down.
said,
I
I'll send you a
also-
copy.
I'm
I'll send you a
hearing
copy.
Mr. Arnab.
You
Yes,
said,
please,
when
don't
I
need
asked
the
you to
copy.
comment on the Congress, you said they were insignificant. Those were your words. You've now used the
your
epithet
memory is
rubbish.
falling out, Mr. Arnab
It's all right,
Goswami.
Mr.
Your
Rudy.
memory
You
is
know
falling
something.
out. You talked
You know something.
about
Don't have to be
specifically
defensive
Rahul
about what
Gandhi.
you have said.
Why? Many people have watched that show. You have talked
But
about
Mr.
Rahul Gandhi. Now
Mr.
you're
Rudy,
saying
you
it.
don't have to
I
be
think
defensive
you are
about what
losing-
you've said.
losing
Why are you
track
being
of
defensive
time.
about what
I
you've
think
said?
you're
What
doing
you've
lot
said,
hard
you've said.
work. Let
What will
Namita
change
handle
now?
it.
By clarifying, what
Give us
will
some
change?
more work and you relax a bit.
It's all right,
You are
Mr.
forgetting
Rudy.
things now.
Arnab,
Mr. Rudy,
but
you've said what you had to,
if we discuss
and I don't think you need to clarify. And Mr. Rudy, don't be defensive about what you say. I'll take a very short break. I have 5 reasons why you should.
What I'm defensive about?
No, I did. You're clarifying. I always believe people who clarify are on the
If I
defensive.
say that you are incorrect, that means you are not doing the right thing. You are
There's no
incorrect.
correct, incorrect. You're clarifying what you
and
said.
twist things to make your
Mr. Rudy,
statement going.
Mr. Rudy, I assure you, I'm not looking for a headline out of what you're saying.
We have to rebut.
Mr. Rudy, your quarrel is with the opposition. I am not looking for a headline out of what you're saying. So I am not interested in twisting you at all. Neither am I interested in pulling a news point. I asked you about the Congress. You said what you said. Now you're clarifying what you said. I don't know why you're clarifying. I never asked you for a clarification.
Campaign in Maharashtra. Please
Pardon me?
rewind your tape and see. And there it started, and there you twisted.
So
So
what-
your memory,
So
I
you-
may be running short of my memory.
I don't
but
know what you're
I
saying,
think I
but-
was correct. But anyway, let's forget it today and let's catch up tomorrow. Bye.
I find this very strange. I'll meet you tomorrow. Of course I will. I'll see you on the other side of the break. I find this very strange. Whatever you're saying, doing, clarifying, Mr. Rudy, I find it very strange. And I'm telling you, that's my view. We can meet tomorrow. We'll talk tomorrow about this. But I'll meet all our viewers on the other side of a short break.